Dear students, today we will discuss loan repayment plans. Repayment is the act of paying back money previously borrowed from a lender. Typically, the return of funds happen through periodic payments which include both principal and interest. The term loans are cleared by the borrower or recovered by banker through given number of installments depending upon the nature of assets, income generating capacity of assets, and the amount of advance for the assets under consideration. Loans can usually also be fully paid in a lump sum or any time, though some contracts may include an early repayment fee. Common type of loans which people need to repay include dairy loans, orchard loans, fishery loans, tractor loans, etc. What are the type of repayment plans? The repayment of term loans, that is medium term loans and long term loans, differ from that of short term loans because they are characterized by their partially liquidating nature. These loans are recovered by a given number of installments depending upon the nature of the assets and the amount advanced for the assets under consideration. All type of distressed borrower may have several options if they are unable to make their regular payments. There are 6 types of repayment plans for term loans, and they are: first, straight and repayment plan or single repayment plans, or we can say lump sum repayment plan. Second, partial repayment plans और balloon repayment plans. थर्ड है इसमें amortized repayment plan, amortized decreasing repayment plan और amortized even repayment plan. फोर्थ है variable repayment plan और we can say quasi variable repayment plans. फिफ्थ है optional repayment plans और सिक्स्थ है इसमें reserve repayment plans और future repayment plan भी इसको we can say future repayment plan. When we talk about straight end repayment plan or lump sum repayment plans, the entire loan amount is to be cleared off after the expiry of stipulated time period. The principal component is repaid by the borrower at a time in lump sum when the loan matures, while interest is paid each year. What are the advantages of lump sum repayment plans? The existing capital can be used for some other investment where the borrower feels high marginal productivity of capital. It is good in case of fluctuations of farm income due to some risk and uncertainties. What are the disadvantages of lump sum repayment plans? The chance of defaulting the loan is very high because complete amount of loan is to be repaid in a single installment. The second repayment plan is partial repayment plan or balloon repayment plan. Here the repayment of the loan will be done partially over the years. Under this repayment plan, the installment amount will be decreasing as the year pass by except in maturity years during which the investment generates sufficient revenue. This is also called as balloon repayment plan, as the large final payments made at the end of loan period after a series of smaller partial payments. Third repayment plan is amortized repayment plan. Amortized means killing by degrees. Amortization means repayment of the entire loan amount in a series of installments to cover both interest and principal amount. This method is an extension of partial repayment plans. Amortized repayment plan is of 2 types, that is amortized decreasing repayment plan. Here the principal components remains constant over the entire repayment period and the interest part decreases continuously. As the principal amount remains fixed and the interest amount decreases, the annual installment amount decreases over the year. The loan advance for machinery and equipment will be fall under this category, as the assets do not require much repair during the initial year of loan repayment. A farmer can able to repay larger installments. Amortize even repayment plan. Here the annual installment over the entire loan period remains the same. The principal portion of the installments increases continuously and the interest components declines gradually. This method is adopted for loans granted for farm development, digging of wells, deepening of old wells, construction of godowns, dairy, poultry units, orchards, etc. The annual installment is given by the formula, in which a formula is given on the basis of annual installment can be calculated. Fourth repayment plan is variable repayment plan. As the name indicates that various levels of installment are paid by the borrower over the loan period. At the time of good harvest, a larger installment is paid, and at times of poor harvest, smaller installments is paid by the borrower. Hence, according to the convenience of borrower, the amount of the installment varies here in this method. This method is not found in lending of institutional financial agencies. This plan is good in that payments are in lines with what farmers can pay. The means if crop yields or livestock return are low due to some reasons, the income will be low and the payments will be reduced accordingly. Sometimes natural calamities occurs. In that case, this repayment plan is very helpful to farmers. Fifth repayment plan is optional repayment plan. In this method, an option is given for the borrower to make payments toward the principal amount in addition to the regular interest annually. It is a great advantage too if the farmers can apply extra income from a good year on principal of his loan instead of showing his funds to lie idle or investing at low rate. Sixth repayment plan is reserve repayment plan. This type of repayment is seen with borrower in areas where there is variability in farm income. In such areas, the farmers are hunted by the fear of not paying regular loan installments. To avoid such situations, the farmer make advance payments of loans from the saving of previous year. This type of repayment is advantageous to both the bankers and borrowers. The bankers need not worry regarding loan recovery even at times of crop failure, and on the other hand, borrower also gains as he keeps up his integrity and creditability. A borrower may have good repaying capacity, but defective repayment plan proposed by lender would render him to become defaulter. It is therefore essential to check out well the repayment tools. Thank you.